Hi, I am Prabal Chakraborty. Welcome my channel.
Hi friends, I am Prabal Chakraborty. I am taking another class, Topology class 2. This is my suggested book is J.R. Moonkits. Okay, Topology J.R. Moonkits. In my previous class, I described whatever I described. Those who listen my class, they know that I describe what is topology, discrete topology, cofinite topology, subspaces, compactness, limit point, closures and limit point I describes. Okay, but now today I want to give some fundamental concept. Okay, fundamental concept. I want to write some fundamental concept. Mental concept, fundamental concept I will discuss because this is very important for this is very important. So I write a is a subset. A is a subset of B if every element of B, if every element of B, every element of A is also an element of B, and we express this fact by writing we express this fact by writing a subset of B. Okay, we write that a subset of B if A equals to B, it is true that both A subset of B and B subset of A, if A subset of B and A is different from B, A is different from B, we say that A is a proper subset. A is a proper subset of B, and we write A proper subset of B. This is the symbol of the proper subset, and this is the symbol of subset. Okay, all element of A, every element of A is also an element of B. This is called subset and proper subset. If A equals to B, it is true both A subset of B or B subset of A. If A subset of A and A is different from B, must remember A is different from B. We say that A is proper subset of B. Okay, and it is the notation this way, means A is different from B. A is different from B. Okay, A is different from B. different from B, we say that A is a proper subset of B. Means A contains B, but B element. Suppose A is 1, 2 and B is 1, 2, 3. Then A is proper subset of B. A is different from B. Okay, this is very, very important. Now I will write fundamental concept, De Morgan's law, because as we learn topology, so we have to know set theory. Set theory is very, very important for topology. De Morgan's law. A minus B union C. A minus B minus C equals to A minus B intersection A minus C. After that, A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. This is the another topic. And A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. A union B intersection C means A union B intersection A union C. This is the fourth formula of the De Morgan's law. Okay, this is very, very important formula. I will discuss. This is main because our class will continue. Topology is a very large chapter. Okay, so we need to learn a lot of. We have to do hard work for this chapter, because this is the very large and very important chapter, topology. Topology is very, very important chapter for astrophysics, physics dimension, in all dimension research purpose. You can learn a lot. You have to learn topology. So I discuss this. Now I will discuss about whatever I will discuss. I will discuss basis. Base I will discuss before I discuss, I have to discuss closed set. Okay, closed set of topology. Closed set of topology. What is the closed set of topology? Topology definition. Let x comma tau be a topological space. Be a topological space, a subset a subset f of x is said to be tau closed. Tau closed or closed. Okay, tau closed or closed if its complement is open set. Complement is open set. Okay, we know the complement. What is the complement? Let A be, I draw a Venn diagram. A is a set. It is universal, and it is complement of the. It is the complement of the A. So A complement is a open set. Open set. Okay. What is open set in the case of topology? Topology, let X is A comma B comma C. Tau is equal to, obviously phi and X include, and I can take a singleton set. This is a topology. Okay, this is a topology. It holds all property, intersections and also union, and everything will. Okay, if we intersect X intersection A means A, and X intersections phi, so it is a topology. So here open set are open set. Topological open set means all member of topology is called open set. Must remember, all member of topology is called open set. That means in here, in this case, tau phi X and A, these are open set. I think I can clear this formula. I can clear this. This is clear for everyone. I think this is clear for everyone that phi X A is a open set. It is clear. So closed set. Closed set means, let's see, our set is X is equal to A comma B comma C. X minus A is equal to B comma C. B comma C is a closed set, because when we X minus B comma C, we get a open set A, and another X minus X is equal to phi. So phi is a closed set, and X minus phi is equal to X. This is also closed set. So this is the concept. I write concept because concept is very, very important in topology. Concept. What is the concept? Concept is, remember friends, X and phi both are closed and open set in topology. In topology, X and phi are both closed and open set. This is very, very important, and this is the fundamental concept of the topology. Okay, so you will remember X comma phi both are closed and open set in topology. Now I will discuss neighborhood. Let X is a point is a point. I do not write the definitions. Okay, I just clear a idea. I give a idea because the definition is available in the book. So I just give a idea that which can help to build a concept. Okay, let x is a point. Okay friends, x is a point and x belongs to a open set. Open set means O. Okay, O, and O belongs to N. This is called, N is neighborhood. So you will, this is the very important neighborhood when we will discuss about base. Now I will go base. I shall go base. Okay, noted this everything. Okay, concept. Let definition. At first I write definition. Let x comma tau be a topological space. Topological space. AR empty collection. A is non-empty collection. Non-empty collection BP of NBDs of P is called, so A is non-empty collection of BP of NBDs. BP x comma tau be a topological space. Let's see, x comma tau be a topological space. A is non-empty collection. BP of NBDs of P is called a local base at P. Okay, is local base at P if for every NBD, if for NBD N of P, then is a N and there is a, sorry, if for every NBD in N of there is a B belongs to BP. There is a B belongs to BP such that B contains N if BP is a local base at P, local base at P, then the member of BP are called basis NBDs of P. Okay, this is the available a lot of textbook. You will get local base definitions. Okay, local base definitions I will read again. What is the let x comma tau be a topological space, a non-empty collection of the BP of NBDs of P is called a local base at P if for every NBD N of P there is a B belongs to PVP such that B contains N. If BP is local base at P, then the member of BP are called NBDs of P. NBDs of P. Okay, example and concept. I will discuss the concept. In any topological space, suppose P is a point and possible NBD is N1, N2, N3, N1, N2, N3, N4, N5. Okay, clear? I will take a collection. B is a collection of NBDs, N1, N2 and N3. Okay, this is the collections. B is a collection of N1, N2, N3. Remember friends, I will write P is a point and possible neighborhood of the P is N1, N2, N3, N4, N5. N1, N2, N3, N5. NBD means open set, any open set which contains X. P belongs to an open set O1. Suppose P belongs to O1 and it contains N. So N, this is the P belongs to O1 and O1 contains N. So N is a NBD. N is NBD of P. Okay friends, N is NBD of P. This is the very, very important concept. Never forget. And B is a sub-collection of the N1, N2, N3. Remember, B is the sub-collection of the N1, N2, N3. So three collections. I take 3 and N2, N5. Okay. So such that which is not in here. N4 is not include, so N4 must be N2 contains also N4. N2 contains means proper N2 contains N4. Okay, N4 or others N5. Suppose N1 contains N5. So B is called local. B is called local base at point P. Okay, my definitions is I start local base at point P. Okay, definition is available in book. I just discuss this. I am discussing discussing this available. Local base is very, very available. Local base at a point. Now I will give example. Okay, example is very simple. I take X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So tau is equal to 5. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, comma 1x. Okay, I can write. Let's see, check 1 and 1, 2 intersections. 1 is also, and 1, 2, 2 in union, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4 intersection, 1 and 1. Okay, intersection and union both are like 1, 3, 4 and intersection 1, 2, then 1, 2 intersections 1 2 1 2 3. Okay, another fact that this is a topological union 1 2 1 2 1 2 and 1 2 5. 1 2 3 4 1 2 and 1 2 5, then 1 2 5. Okay, 1 2 5 also belongs to 1 2 5 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is a topological space. Okay, no problem. I think that everything is clear. Okay, find local base. Find local base. I will discuss some point 1 2 with respect to 1 and 2 with respect to 1 and 2. So local base I have to find out. So N1 in case of for 1 I have to find out local base. So my base B1, obviously 1 I will take. B1 obviously 1 I will take. Okay, B1 is equal to 1 I will take. Okay, B1 I will take or equal to 1. Then local base, find local base. So 1, you will see that it is a collection. I take a collection. It is a local base. Local base. How it is local base? Because according to my theory, the NBD means point P1 belongs to 1, because this is the open set. This is also one open set is lie. Okay, one open set is lie. So 1 belongs to 1, and you will see that another open set, and in you will get a lot of NBD 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. This is also all the neighborhood, whatever the possible neighborhood, the power set of the 1. So it is the neighborhood 1, 2, 1, 3. This is the neighborhood NBD of 1. NBD of 1, a lot of example of the NBD, and everywhere 1 is containing. 1 is containing this set. This set is containing all neighborhoods. Another we can take B1 and B dash 1. I can take 1 and 1, 2. Okay, I have to take least value, least member. Okay, least member. Now I will go for 2, and for, if I will see for 2, the point 2, in case of point 2, let's see that point 2 we do not get any singleton set. This is the single, I get a singleton set. Okay, 1 singleton set. But in case of 2, in case of 2, my open set, in case of 2, my open set is open set is 1 comma 2. In case of 2 we get open set 1 comma 2. Okay, we get 1 comma 2 is a open set, so my B2 will choose 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 is B2. Remember friends, when we will take local base, we have to take a open set. Okay, a particular open set we have to take. Okay, this open set and I list element of 2 means 1 comma 2 is the lowest. I can take also 1 2 comma 5, but this is not possible. 1 comma 2 comma 5 is not possible. 1 comma 2 also included. So B2, another B2 dash, I can take 1 comma 2 and 1 comma 2 comma 5, but always remember 1 comma 2 also include. And NBD when I choose next, in case of NBD means open set NBD at a point, suppose P, NBD at a point P, then P belongs to, then NBD at a point P belongs to O1. O1 is a open set, and O1 belongs to, obviously, O1 the subset of N neighborhood. O1 is the subset of neighborhood N. Okay, this N, O1 contains also N. This N is called neighborhood of point P. So friends, thank you. Our discussions, whatever we learned that x comma phi is the both open and closed. Our concept, okay, recalling, we learn De Morgan's theorem. We learn what is the proper set. Proper set means A is different from B. What is the proper set? What is the subset? And closed set. What is the closed set? We know that its complement should be open set. And what is open set? All the members of the topological space of topology is called open set. Like phi x comma A, all are open set. Must remember. And another thing we have to remember that x comma phi is a both closed and open set in topology. And neighborhood means any open set P belongs to O, and the set N contains O1 also. O1 always belongs to N, and O1 is open set. Thank you. We will discuss a lot of next class. We will discuss base. My next class is base. Base is my next class. Today's discuss is local base. Next class I shall discuss base. Thank you.